Welcome. Today we're diving into the world of the richest banks. World Richest Bank. Before we go further, we need to understand total assets and market capitalization. Total assets refer to the total value of all assets owned or controlled by a company, institution, or individual. In the context of banks, total assets include cash and deposits, loans and advances, investments in securities, property and equipment, and intangible assets. Total assets are an important metric for banks as they indicate the size and scope of the bank's operations, as well as its ability to generate revenue and manage risk. While market capitalization, or market cap, is the total value of all outstanding shares of a company's stock, it represents the size of the company and is calculated by multiplying the total number of shares outstanding by the current market price of one share. Market capitalization is important because it reflects the company's size and market value, affects the company's credibility and reputation, influences the company's ability to raise capital, and impacts the company's stock price volatility. In the context of banks, market capitalization is a key indicator of their size, stability, and market influence. As of 2024, the top 10 richest banks in the world by total assets are 1. Industrial and Commercial Bank of China, ICBC, $6.31 trillion. 2. Agricultural Bank of China, $5.63 trillion. 3. China Construction Bank, $5.41 trillion. 4. Bank of China, $4.58 trillion. 5. JPMorgan Chase Co, $3.88 trillion. 6. Bank of America, $3.18 trillion. 7. HSBC Holdings, $3.04 trillion. 8. BNP Paribas, $2.87 trillion. 9. Mitsubishi UFJ Financial Group, $2.81 trillion. 10. Credit Agricole Group, $2.73 trillion. These rankings are based on the total assets held by each bank, reflecting their financial strength and global influence in the banking sector. As of 2024, the top 10 richest banks in the world by market capitalization are 1. JPMorgan Chase Co, USA, $573.5 billion. 2. Bank of America, USA, $299.2 billion. 3. Industrial and Commercial Bank of China, ICBC, China, $254.7 billion. 4. Wells Fargo, USA, $205.2 billion. 5. Agricultural Bank of China, China, $199.8 billion. 6. Bank of China, China, $182.2 billion. 7. China Construction Bank, China, $154 billion. 8. Morgan Stanley, USA, $152.7 billion. 9. HSBC Holdings, UK, $150.1 billion. 10. Royal Bank of Canada, Canada, $142.6 billion. These banks lead the global financial industry in terms of market value, demonstrating significant influence in their respective regions and sectors.